Hi, my name is Jen, and I'm a CruiseAholic. If you've ever caught yourself daydreaming about being on a cruise ship, surrounded by blue water and eating whatever you want, whenever you want, instead of being anywhere else, then you're probably a CruiseAholic too. But here's the test. Do you start planning your next cruise before you're even finished with the current one? Do you feel excited and jealous when people post pictures of cruises that you're not on? Is your idea of fun watching Matt from RoyalCaribbeanBlog.com or any other cruise channel? Or do you enjoy listening to cruise stories from total strangers on the street? And do you walk up to them and join in? I'm not saying I've done that. I can't really say that I haven't done that either. If you said yes to any of the above or all of the above, then you are definitely a CruiseAholic. Welcome to CruiseAholics Anonymous. The cure for your cruise addiction. This is the only addiction where a doctor will tell you that more is better. This channel is all about cruise life, past, present, future, especially future, because I like to plan ahead like 2 years in advance. Like as in right now, I have 6 upcoming cruises planned, and I still feel empty inside. I do. I still feel empty. I'll be sharing my cruise adventures, cruise stories. My mom travels with me a lot. Sometimes friends travel with me. Sometimes I go solo. So I'll be sharing all of those stories with you and the everyday joy of just planning a cruise. Like sometimes I feel like planning a cruise is just as fun as going. Let's just live the cruise life. Here, we do not judge cruise addictions. We celebrate them. We celebrate them. Like by going on another cruise. And let's be honest, half the fun is the countdown, right? Does anybody else start counting down a year in advance? Okay, I want to know, how long before your cruise do you start counting down? Put that in the comments. 90 days, 60 days, a year or two? And please tell me I'm not the only one who has a cruise countdown app and a backup notebook. Oh, 2 backup notebooks. Two backup. So this notebook holds all of my like flight and cruise information, and then this notebook is where I take my cruise notes for the upcoming cruises. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. Join me. Stop it. If cruising is your happy place and you want to join someone who gets it, hit that subscribe button and let's sail through this addiction together, okay? We support each other here. No judgment, only support. This is CruiseAholics Anonymous. We don't want a cure. We have a cure. More cruises, please. Let's test. Ooh, ooh, yeah. Ooh. It's on. There we go. As you can see, that was probably loud.